Hey jumpers, Crossrope athlete Jenica here again to talk about another body weight exercise you will find in the Crossrope app workouts. Today we're going to talk about squat jumps. So building off of your basic body weight squat, we are making it a squat jump. So it is a much more dynamic, much more intense, also higher impact. So there's a couple modifiers you can keep in mind if the squat jump is a little too high impact for you. But just like our regular squat, we are going to prepare by making sure that we have good posture. We're standing up tall, pulling that core in, chest up, shoulders back, breathing, getting ready. Our feet are about shoulder width apart and with a slight angle of our toes, and our knees are going to stay in line with our feet. We're going to squat down and then we are going to explode back up into a jump. So we'll squat down and we will jump up. So you are jumping up off the balls of your feet, and then you are landing and transferring that weight to your heels and then back into your glutes. So jumping off your balls of your feet, landing on the balls of your feet lightly, and then shifting the weight to the heels and the glutes as you squat down. Explode up, squat down. So it's a very quick shifting of that weight as you land. And do try to have some flex in those knees to cushion your landing as you go into those squats. So you can leap way up in the air if you're super springy and really want to push it. If you're not so springy, it can be a little hop. And then the modifier to keep it lower impact would be to squat down. Again, same starting position. Core pulled in tight, chest up, shoulders back, looking straight ahead, and we are squatting down. And then instead of exploding up into a squat jump, we will come up into a heel raise. So we're adding a little something to our squat. So it's a little more than a basic body weight squat, but it is still low impact. So again, that is a squat to heel raise. Squat to heel raise. Squeeze those glutes at the top. Really think about engaging those muscles. And if that's not enough for you, then you can try that lower intensity squat hop. So you would squat down and just hop a little at the top. So it's about a ½ an inch to an inch off the ground. You're not leaping way up into the air, but you're still keeping that chest up, and you are shifting the weight to those heels and back into those glutes on that squat, and then hopping up off the balls of your feet. And if you want to go for those full squat jumps, they get intense very quickly. So if you have a longer interval, like anything over 30 seconds of squat jumps, you really want to pace yourself to try to make it through that whole interval. Otherwise, you might have to take a rest, shake those legs out, and then get back to it. So here we go again, the squat, jump, squatting down, really thinking about those glutes, and exploding up. Here we go, squat jumps. Breathing through it, keeping our core engaged, really thinking about sitting back into those glutes and exploding up into that jump. And whoo, there you have your squat jumps. Happy jumping.